If you like this video and want to see more, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell to be alerted when new videos go live. Do you hate lines? Not these lines. These lines. You want to enjoy your day at Disneyland, and sometimes it can be filled with a lot of waiting. What if I told you there was a way to avoid at least one wait? Guest services have 6 locations spread out through Disneyland: City Hall, Central Plaza, Fantasyland, Frontierland, New Orleans Square, and Tomorrowland. 2 locations are generally busier than others. The first busy location is City Hall, located on the left of Main Street, USA, after the park entrance. This location is the busiest and can grow rather large lines. The second busy location is on the right in Central Plaza. While not as busy as City Hall, lines are typically still long here. As you can see, lines can grow up to 20 people deep. So why wait? There are 4 other kiosks sprinkled throughout Disneyland that have virtually no lines most of the time. The first is in Fantasyland, behind the Matterhorn to the right of Edelweiss Snacks. The second is in Frontierland, behind Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, on the path between Fantasyland and Galaxy's Edge. The third is in New Orleans Square, just across the walkway from the Haunted Mansion next to Harbor Galley. The last is in Tomorrowland, to the right of Star Wars Launch Bay and to the left of Alien Pizza Planet. Hope this saves you some time and helps you find that one more ride. And remember, life moves pretty fast. Take a mouse break.